Welcome to ClubExpress. We make it easy to create, manage, and sustain your club or association. In this demo, learn how to use ClubExpress to add volunteering and slot categories so that your members can sign up for volunteering opportunities. Let's get started. To create a sign up for your volunteer opportunity, you'll need to add two types of categories: volunteering categories, which are different types of events or opportunities for volunteering, like a car wash, community cleanup, or bake sale; and slot categories, which are the types of volunteer services that members can sign up for, like cashier, car washer, or traffic director. Both categories must be added to your account before you can create a volunteering opportunity for your group. First, go to the Control Panel, then, in the People tab, under Website Modules, choose Volunteering. From the Volunteering Administration page, choose the Configure button and select Volunteering Categories from the drop-down menu. From there, you can choose the Add Category button to set up a new volunteering category. Next, you're ready to add slot categories. Return to the Volunteering Administration page and choose the Configure button again and select Slot Categories from the drop-down menu. Choose the Add Slot Category button to set up a new slot. Just like volunteering categories, slots only need to be added to your account once. You can reuse slot categories for multiple volunteer opportunity signups. Now that you've added volunteering and slot categories, you're ready to build your volunteering opportunity. See you in the next video.